Hi guys, we're here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Apex 189 RBS. So nice little things. You're gonna have the diamond plate front, helps going down the road, gonna protect you a little bit. For a storage space, you are gonna have plenty coming through down here. And then moving on, for the awning, you are going to have a full power awning, and you are going to have an LED strip underneath. And then these right here are going to be your outdoor speakers, and they are marine grade. You are going to have your little handle right here to help you in and out. And then moving on to the back, you are going to get your spare tire. And then on to the very side, you're going to have your power hookups for your 30 amps and your TV hooks. And then you will have your outdoor shower. And then your fresh water plugs in. And the very front, you're just going to get your propane tank and your 2 batteries. Now, moving on to the inside. One thing I love about the 2019s is everything's going to be a lot more modern of a color, and your decor is going to be a lot different than you're used to. The bathroom here, you're going to have plenty of space for a bigger man like myself. You're going to have some storage in there as well. And then into the living space, you are going to have a nice little couch, which does fold into a little bed here. You got a nice little counter, you got plenty of cuttings, cooking, and you also have storage above it. And then onto your bed, you get your front cap windows, your emergency, you get a little awning as well, and then you get some storage underneath the bed as well. So, guys, if you have any questions on it, give me a call at 541-954-4683. I'm JD. Thanks.